Hey guys, Kelly here with Live Life Logically. I got another product review for you. I try it before you buy it. So, you guys, I have already done 2 reviews on this particular company's eyeshadow palettes. I don't think anyone knows how to pronounce this company. CIBBCCCI. But anyway, I tried the first 2 palettes. If you guys have been watching my channel, then you saw the first palette that I did was their kind of pink rose gold palette, and I was super nervous about this because I was afraid that I wouldn't be able to utilize the pink because I typically don't wear pink on my eyes, but it turned out amazing. Then the next palette that they sent me was, this first one was a 9 color palette, and then the second one is a 16 color makeup palette that I did a review on. I did basically just a quick makeup video. I didn't really go into too much about it, but this is much more of like natural autumn, fall type colors, warm. I mean, you really could use them at any time of the year. I thought that they looked phenomenal on my green eyes, and again, the pigment in all of these shadows is amazing. Even the matte and the shimmer shades just stayed on all day long. Really loved it. So check out that video if you want to see my look with these colors. And then I got sent another one. Guys, this was $9.99 and 2-day prime shipping on Amazon. And it's so shimmery. It's gold. I love it. So it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Quiet down, Jax. I've invited Furball Jax to hang out in the office with me today, and he's scratching away because it's that time of year. Anyway, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it's a 12 palette shadow. You've got your mattes, and then you've got your super glittery, shimmery shades above, and that's what I'm wearing right now. Love this palette because you can do so much with it. And the matte colors go on beautifully. As long as you have a good blender brush, then you are good as gold. The shimmer shades, I used my ring finger to apply those. I didn't find that the brushes used or applied it so well, so I used the ring finger, and I love it, guys. So you'll see my video right now. I'm just gonna do a real quick time-lapse video of me doing my makeup. But again, this is 3 out of 3, folks, for CIBBCCCI, however you pronounce it. Go check them out. I'll put all of the links below for all 3 of these palettes. Super affordable. And guys, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon here in the low country of South Carolina. It's 90 degrees. I actually just ran errands and I watered my garden outside, and look, I mean, it's still on, and I couldn't be happier. So check it out, guys. And if you like this video, make sure that you subscribe below, click that little bell, and also follow us on our social media channels. We are on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Pinterest, as well as livelifelogically.com. Hope you guys enjoy.